Most sales aren't lost because your competitor did a better job and won the client instead of you. They're lost because your client has decided to not make any decision at all. And it's your job, I guess, as a salesperson to make sure that you understand how your service or solution or technology fits into their priority list, to understand what's happening with their strategic goals so that when you're part of that, that stays at the top of the priority list. It's incredibly difficult to make your service or solution stay at the top of their priority list following that first call if you haven't worked out where it fits into the bigger picture. So that's step one. And then, of course, there'll be multiple decision makers, and understanding how your solution will add value to them in their job role as well. So you're mapping out your account to understand how your solution fits in for this department, for that department, and for another department. So once you've worked out your value proposition across the organization, then the challenge is to stay front of mind, basically keep those plates spinning, because you're not going to be able to be in front of that client and the different stakeholders all the time. This is where LinkedIn can really help. First of all, you need to be connected in to the people who might be involved in the decision. And they can be people who are department relevant, but more active on LinkedIn. And then when you're posting, make sure that you're posting about the problems that your target audience has. So when you're thinking about your content strategy as a salesperson, consider who you've most recently connected to and ensure that you're using the kind of language that will stand out on the feed. So maybe play back some of the words, without giving the game away completely, that they said to you, and play that back to them. When you're popping up on their feed a few times a week, talking about the problems and solutions that is resonating with them, then you're going to keep front of mind in a digital way, which will make it easier when you're coming back in, that you're not starting from scratch, to help people remember what it was that they were interested about, the first conversation that you had with them. So two things really is be really active on LinkedIn, and so that your network are seeing the problems that they remember you can solve for them.